Hello friends, welcome to the 11th part of capacitor presentation series. This part explains the classification of variable capacitors. The topics for discussion in part 11 are classification of variable capacitors, mechanically controlled variable capacitors, electrically controlled variable capacitors, and miscellaneous capacitor types. A variable capacitor is one whose capacitance may be intentionally and repeatedly changed either mechanically or electrically. They don't have fixed capacitance value, instead they provide a range of values. Normally a variable capacitor has two sets of parallel plates. One set of plates is fixed and the other set of plates is attached to a shaft that can be rotated. By turning the shaft, the cross-sectional area in the overlap of the plates can be changed. Thus the capacitance of this system can be tuned to a desired value. Variable capacitors are divided into two main types based on its operating mechanism: mechanically controlled and electrically controlled variable capacitors. The capacitance value of mechanically controlled variable capacitors can be changed mechanically through a knob or a screwdriver. Mechanically controlled types of capacitors are further divided into two types: tuning capacitors and trimmer capacitors. In tuning capacitors, the dielectric used is either air or mica. Its capacitance value can be varied by rotating a knob which rotates the rotor across the stator with a dielectric between them. It is used in such circuits where the capacitance need to be changed more than once in order to achieve the desired output. Trimmer capacitors capacitance is varied by using a screwdriver. They are also known as semi-fixed variable capacitors. They can only withstand a few adjustments. They are normally used in such circuits where the capacitance does not need to be changed more than a few times. They are further divided into air trimmer, ceramic trimmer, wire trimmer, mica trimmer, etc. The air trimmer uses air as the dielectric. It consists of a cylindrical stator in which a similar cylindrical rotor can be turned on a small screwed rod. The ceramic trimmer consists of a small ceramic tube which serves as a dielectric. The wire trimmer consists of a small ceramic tube silvered on inside and a number of turns of wire wound close to each other on the outside. The layer of silver and the external wire layer form a capacitance which can be reduced by taking turns of wire. For electrically controlled variable capacitors, the capacitance can be varied electrically. They are of two types: voltage tuned capacitance and digitally tuned capacitance. Voltage tuned capacitance are also known as variable capacitance diodes or varactor diodes. For these diodes, the thickness of the depletion layer varies with a reverse biased DC voltage. So their junction capacitance can be controlled by using this reverse bias voltage. Digitally tuned capacitors are IC variable capacitors based on technologies like MEMS, VST, SOI, etc. Electrostatic capacitors include almost all types of capacitors except electrolytic capacitors. They don't have any polarity and can be used with AC. A vacuum capacitor is a variable capacitor which uses high vacuum as the dielectric instead of air or any other insulating material. In glass capacitors, glass is used as the dielectric material and aluminum as the electrodes. The capacitor can withstand high nuclear radiation doses and strong neutron radiation. In silicon capacitors or integrated capacitors, the silicon-based dielectrics such as silicon dioxide and silicon nitride are commonly used. They are manufactured inside an IC by metallization and isolation of substrate.